Let's talk about how to multiply fractions. To multiply fractions, you just need to multiply across. Let's look at our first example. We have 3/5 times 2/11. 3 times 2 is 6, and 5 times 11 is 55. Now, we can't simplify 6 over 55. There's no common number between 6 and 55. So that's going to be our answer. For the second example, we have 9/6 times 4/7. Before we multiply, let's break down 9 as 3 times 3 and 6 as 3 times 2. Notice that we can cancel a 3. After canceling, you multiply across. 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 7 is 21. So the answer is 8 over 21. Let's try another example. We have 5/12 times 8/15. Let's write 12 as 4 times 3 and 8 as 4 times 2. 15 is 5 times 3. We can cancel a 4 and a 5. What we have left over on top is 2. On the bottom we have 3 times 3, which is 9. So the answer is 2 over 9. For our final example, we have 9/16 times 8/21. Let's break down 9 into 3 times 3 and 16 as 8 times 2. 21 is 7 times 3. We can cancel the 8 and cross out a 3. What we have left over is 3 on top. On the bottom, we have 2 times 7, which is 14. And that's going to be our answer, 3 over 14. That's how you can multiply two fractions together using cancellation. Cancellation makes the problem much easier and prevents you from dealing with large numbers. I definitely recommend using the cancellation method when multiplying fractions.